Deciding between inventory management options can feel overwhelming and crucial for your business success. inFlow and Fishbowl are two prominent names that promise to streamline your inventory processes effectively. inFlow stands out for its ease of use, allowing small businesses to get set up remarkably quickly. With no installation required, you can dive right into managing your inventory in just minutes. Unlike Fishbowl, inFlow offers seamless web and mobile access without extra license fees, enhancing accessibility. Aesthetics play a significant role. inFlow prioritizes an attractive interface to boost team productivity effortlessly. When it comes to budgeting, inFlow is far more cost-effective, catering to small businesses with tight finances. While both systems integrate with accounting software, only Fishbowl connects with QuickBooks Desktop for legacy users. Fishbowl shines with robust customization, specifically tailored for retail operations requiring on-premise installations. Ultimately, choosing between inFlow and Fishbowl boils down to your business needs and future growth plans.